How does that even work?
I'll show you. We'll get close and I'll show you. Yeah, it's definitely fake. So look, the ramp itself, the slide just goes down. It just goes. So you see, yeah. It looks like a ramp, but you just come sliding down. It's really awesome. It's not as bad as it looks.
Couple safety things before I head out today. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the truck at all times. That's the majority of the animals they might spot on the reserve today. We're going to be starting our evening adventures through the Little Ontario Forest. Animals here are shy. They use their amazing camouflage patterns and camouflage.
Jeez, Red. Hey, guys, do me a favor. Go over by that waterfall so I can take a picture.